Hello, I'm Dr. William. This is a mini lecture on allergy elimination in domestic animals, also mammals, such as human beings too. A zillion years ago, about 35 years ago, when we started adjusting animals because they had musculoskeletal problems, we noticed that the clients came back and said, I don't know what you did to my dog, but all of a sudden his allergies have gone away, which we thought was a fluke, but it occurred over and over and over essentially. It'd be nice to know where in the animal's body that adjusting it would actually make the itch go away, however, and the allergy go away. It would be suggested that perhaps a combination of all of the technology or all of the adjustment cycles that we have actually done would be beneficial. But it didn't work all the time. It didn't work until we started to use the technology of Veterinary Allergy Elimination Technique. VAET, Veterinary Allergy Elimination Technique, allows us to apply a frequency-specific laser and a means by which we can go through and we can scan the animal's body. What we'll do is we'll put in the specific frequencies, which we delineate in the modules, and we basically will then scan through the whole animal's body. For instance, a dog that would be allergic to something that it inhales, which is very, very commonly allergic inhalant dermatitis or dietary allergy. We could basically then laser this animal's preset here, and then we laser the whole animal's body essentially. Basically, what we're doing is we're communicating with the killer T cell that has become sensitive, if you will, to the actual allergen. And so what we're doing is removing the allergy. So this actually reprograms the mitochondrial DNA of the killer T cell relative to what the animal is seeing. Now we do this if the animal is actually showing allergy conditions. So if we've got an itchy scratchy dog or a problem with diet that's causing itchy scratchy, whatever it is, what we'll do is we'll endeavor to take the allergy away from the actively allergic dog, because the immune system is actively looking at the allergen at the time. It's a little bit more complicated if the animal is not allergic at the time or showing clinical symptomology, but we can take care of that too by actually addressing the actual allergen that we may or may not know. And then what we can do is we can take the allergen and put it in a vial, for instance, like this, and then we can shine it through that area of the body essentially, and basically then do the same thing. And what we're doing is we're using the allergen that's placed in a vial. It doesn't have to be in a vial, it can be free. And we're using that as a filter to communicate to the specific part of the body of the animal that basically corresponds to the allergen that we're trying to remove. This is called a specific allergy elimination technique. Is about 80 to 90% effective for an acute allergy, and for chronic allergy a little bit higher than that. We also have a tendency to use the three-headed laser approach, which we would discuss in the frequency-specific laser therapy course, which gets us up to over 90% of success using allergy elimination. Allergy is a big problem in veterinary medicine, dog, cat, and horse, and essentially allows us to go ahead and deprogram these animals' allergy and take the allergen away. Currently, what's done now is that we stop clinical symptomology by suppressing the immune system, which is just asking for more problems. This does not compromise the immune system, but rather enhances the immune system to do what it's supposed to do relative to the specific allergen. I'd have you go to the vomtech.com website and look at the section on frequency-specific laser therapy, and we discuss in several sections on that about allergy elimination. We have a complete series of laser protocols and also programs and modules on allergy elimination specifically. A veterinary practice or a practice that corresponds to allergy elimination can spend the rest of their life doing just allergy elimination successfully and live happily ever after. This has been a lecture on allergy elimination, veterinary allergy elimination technique. It's done in the veterinary orthopedic manipulation modules 1 through 5 essentially, and also the laser modules 1 through 8 essentially. I'm Dr. Inman. Thank you and have a great day.